Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at vegan diet. So what is the difference between vegan and vegetarian diet? So vegan diet adopts the principle that they'll not eat any animal or animal related products, meaning there'll not be any let's say egg or milk or even honey in their diet. So what are the benefits of adopting a vegan diet? Reduction in your BMI, reduction in cholesterol and in your blood pressure, gives you better heart health, and recent studies have shown that it cures certain type of cancer. So these are the benefits of vegan diet. So the downside of adopting a vegan diet is that there is some deficiency in your macro and micronutrients. For example, like your protein, your omega-3, calcium, and vitamin D and vitamin B12. So protein is responsible for all chemical functions in your body. Calcium strengthens your bone and your teeth. Omega-3 is useful for your cell function and your obviously for your brain, betterment of your brain function. And lastly, you have your vitamin D and vitamin B12. So they are responsible for your red blood cells and your DNA synthesis. So reviewing our channel analytics, I found that many people are watching our videos but are unsubscribing. So we are very happy that we are providing you good quality content which you are actually watching, and it will make us even more happier and we'll be even more motivated and enthusiastic to provide you guys with more quality content and on a more regular basis. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are helping out with giving you good quality content, so it will be a big favor just to hit the subscribe button. It will help us in a long way. So vitamin D and vitamin B12, there is no alternative if you're adopting a vegan diet, so you have to take some kind of supplements to make up for the deficiency. So for protein, if you're adopting a vegan diet, so to make up for your protein you can take some kind of nuts, soy, beans, those kind of things. So for calcium, since you guys don't take milk, you can opt for soy milk or almond milk, or you can just take almonds. For omega-3, you can go for flax seeds or vegetable oil. Since flaxseed is a little bit pricier, maybe adopting vegetable oil will be more economic friendly. So let's say you find it adopting into a full vegan diet very hard. So is there any alternative? So one alternative will be, you can say no to meat and poultry, but you can take fish. Or if you feel like this is also similar to like being on a non-veg diet, you can even go further and you can just have vegetables, but you can have eggs on a regular basis. Or if you want to take it up another notch, you can be on a vegan diet regularly, but you can have meat on occasionally, like let's say it's a function or you have to go out and attend a wedding or you're going out with your friends. So that time you can just have your non-veg. So these are the three alternatives that you can have. So that way you are still on a vegan diet, but per se, like you can still enjoy the non-vegetarians and get the macros and the other stuff from your non-vegetarian foods. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you learned something new and useful as always, and if you have, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you know someone who might find this video helpful, please do share it to them.